All right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out, Battlbox 78. I'm going to show you the items that we got here like I always do every single month. And then again, you guys can look it up and you guys could put comments down below. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post videos. And here it is. This is Battlbox. It gets in here to the channel every single month. We appreciate that. It gets sent by then. And it's a subscription box. It brings you a bunch of gear. Now, I'm going to tell you, like I say, every single month, this is serious money. Some things like this, like the Pro Plus, is $160. And to me, that's a lot of money. If you're going to buy this, make sure you do a lot of research because, again, basic, $30, advanced, 60. Pro is 109, but the Pro Plus is 159. And like I say, almost every month, 160 is a motorcycle payment. So make sure that you know that you want this. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the first one, right, which is the basic. And by the way, we do have a really cool knife on this box, which I'm going to show to you guys. So here's what we got, right? We got this first of all, and check this out. And this is like a temperature little strip that you put in somebody's forehead, and it's supposed to tell you the temperature, right? This is going to value about 13 bucks. And again, it's disposable, so put it in the forehead. You could track somebody's temperature, and again, it is what it is. Nowadays, people are freaking out about temperature. So, okay, you got this. The next thing you're going to have is going to be a breakfast meal, right? And this is great to put in a backpack or something like that. You never know what you're going to need it or when you're going to need it. This is about $8 right here. So again, this is what you got right there. Let me show you the back part of this. So again, breakfast in a backpack in case you need it. Next thing is going to be this right here. And this is fire plugs. And let me put my glasses so I can read. So again, bam, I got my glasses now. So again, Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Starter. This is going to value about 20 bucks. Rain or shine, wet or windy, start your fire with just a single spark. 100% waterproof Bigfoot Bushcraft. So that's pretty cool. That's going to be about $19 right now. And we got one last item. Wow, we had a couple, a good amount of items here on the basic box this time. So this is like let me see. This is called Flips Tactical Gun and Knife Carry Kit. That's actually pretty cool, having a system that has both gun and, again, knife kit. And it has like a little rack right here. This is cool. I'm going to use this. I'm excited about this. So again, this is going to be the basic box. So this is what you got. What do you think about my dollar store glasses? So that's what you got for the basic box. We're going to go into the advanced box. And what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to show you right here on the paper, because I actually took this to work and I left it at work. So again, it's going to be a headlamp right there. And you guys know how I feel about headlamps, right? Now, it's going to be about 30 bucks. I'll tell you the truth. I've been using this for a couple, I guess in a way, a couple days or whatever, and 30 bucks sounds like a lot of money. It really does. It really does sound like a lot of money. What you have right here is that you have two lights, and each one, as you can see, 1 and 2, each one is going to have a battery, and you could actually connect each one or turn each one separately. And it's kind of cool because it goes around your neck, so it doesn't go in your head. It goes around your neck. I kind of like that. I like wearing a hat sometimes, and when you wear a hat, you can wear a headlamp, right? So I do like that. It's really not that bright, really not. It's just for like in front of you kind of style. And again, the neck portion is nice, but once again, if you have a really thick neck, it may be a little bit uncomfortable. I think 30 bucks is a lot of money, and wow. But again, there's so many different headlamps out there that 30 bucks sounds to me like a lot of money. Now, here's what we got next, and it's going to be this right here. I'm actually excited about it. When I got this, there we go. When I got this, my kid was like, "Can I get it? Can I get it, Dad?" And he started, getting into me for a while to get this. And obviously, I let him use it for a minute. So, again, this is what you got. So, again, this is going to be the PD 100 glasses on. phosphate respiratory, I don't know how to say that, gas mask. And again, that's what you got. So a little bit of the information right here. Obviously, you guys know that this is pretty cool. It's going to allow you to survive something. I don't know exactly what it's going to allow you to survive. But again, you know what? This is a this is a gas mask. There's links down there. If you want to know more about each product, you could definitely check it out. So again, pretty cool. Really cool. It looks like really good quality. It looks like something really solid, right? I'm not sure the specs when it comes to things like that. Make sure you know the specs and make sure what it's rated for, because some of these filters right here are rated for different things. So some things may be just straight off, in case of smoke or something like that. And there's other filters that are rated for like really crazy stuff. But again, let me just give you another look, because it does look really nice, right? It looks like good quality. Whatever it is, it looks like solid quality. It doesn't look like one that we have maybe like a year or so ago that it was a gas mask, but it really didn't do anything from Battlbox. This actually looks like something that we could utilize, and it's about $100. So again, that's pretty cool. Now, this is what we're gonna do now. I'm excited about this. Let's get the knife of the month, baby. Let's do it. This is what we got. Let me show you the picture here first. This is sweet. This is really, really sweet. This is the Williamson Copenhagen. Oh, wow. All right, $95. Let me open it up. So I'm excited about this. When I saw this, I thought it was really cool. So essentially, you got a little tool and an extra clip. So that's kind of like that is a nice touch right there. So that's cool. And then you got the knife. Oh, look, we got a little patch. That's really cool. So, okay, little patch. People are into patches nowadays. And let's open this up. Whoa. This is sexy. Let me bring this camera a little bit closer. Right there. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. This thing is really, really nice. Again, about $100 value. I'm not a knife guy, but you know what? This knife is really nice. I love this design. Very, very unique. Has a flipper right there. Obviously, look at that. It's a flipper. Here's the blade. I mean, this blade looks mean. Look at that. Ooh. And here's the knife completely right there. Wow. This thing looks nice. Very, very nice. Let me see something. Oh, wow. I like this. A couple things that I like. Let me just tell you a couple things that I like. First of all, I like this clip. And the reason why I like this clip is that if you see, it goes all the way down. So when you put this knife in your pocket, it actually hides completely. I like the design a lot. This thing right here has a lot of traction. So it feels like a lot of traction. Again, I like this jimping or whatever that is right here. Obviously, you have like a little hole right there for like a lanyard or something. The flipper has a little bit of jimping as well. You see it right there. And again, when it deploys really good. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not really putting that much force. And it just comes out. So, again, that's nice right there. Obviously, liner lock. You guys can see it right there. And this knife is gorgeous. The blade profile is just gorgeous. I love how, you get it right here. Obviously, don't come here. But you get it like right here. And then the finger flipper becomes kind of like a finger guard. And I like how I'm holding it. Like it feels like really, really good pressure. Like I feel like I could control it really well. And I actually feel like I could do some work with this knife. It doesn't just look like a knife that is just a pretty knife. It looks like a knife that you could do a lot of work with it. But anyways, guys, that's Battlbox Mission 78. Big shout out to Battlbox for sending this to the channel. We definitely appreciate their support and everything they do here for us here in the Jarhead 6 channel. They are, a great company, been working with us for a long time. This is one of those boxes that, one of those things that if you want to have a subscription box and you got some spare money and you want to utilize them, this is one of the companies that does that. Appreciate the support. And as always, God is in control.